put it on the list?
Here. Okay, record.
61? Are you sending
Put it
61?
on the list.
What do I hit record? How do I hit record? Rach, do you have that drink ready?
It's right here. Marcel.
Huh? No, I'm looking at a video. Come and look.
Something's happening? No, it's hilarious. Come see it.
It's actually pretty funny.
Oh my god.
Fuck.
Damn it.
No, it's fine. I know your tricks.
Isn't it pretty funny?
Hilarious. It's like a roller coaster, Rachel. Come see it. Okay, fine. No, I'm going back to my table. Your pie.
What are you talking about? Come look. Here, I'll show you. Oh, man. Here we go. You're trapped. Oh! Smile! Woo! Way to go.
I have like $600 in my hands, you guys.
Is that Gillette or whipped cream?
Both.
Both? Nice.
Kind of got it.
I got some. We'll see it in a second.
I don't know how to shut it off.
That's